Hi, my name is Hari Vishnu D. I'm 25 years old. So my hair loss journey is a long one. Like it all started in 2013, like when I was around 18 years old. At first, like I used to lose a little bit of hair in the beginning. Then, after years went by, like I started to lose a lot. But the journey was a slow one. But still, like after 2 years or something, I started noticing that I have receding my hairline, temple and the crown, so it started receding. Then when it was like around 2016 or 17, it was noticeable. Like even my friends, everyone was like talking, like mentioning that I'm losing my hair. So it affected my confidence, and I was like down, like because of my hair, because it gives the confidence to everyone, the hair. So what happened was like I started looking for treatments, and at first I, you know, check the ads, like we see ads on TV, right, about oils, creams or something like that. We have to apply, like that will give back your hair and all, but those are all fake. Then it didn't work for me. I also tried those oils. Then I tried homeo also. That also did not work. Then, but by that time I already lost a lot of hair from front, temple and crown. So then I came to know about hair transplant. Like it gives back, your look, like your old look, how you looked before your hair loss. So started searching for the best hair transplant clinic, because I wanted the best, because there's only one chance. Like if you go wrong, then it will affect your face, it will affect your look. So I wanted the best one. So I started researching from around 2018, 19. I started researching, and I searched a lot, not only from India, from all around the world I searched. I wanted the best. From India, like I selected a few. From Spain there was one, from Turkey. Like then I shortlisted these clinics. But still, even after looking at all these clinics, I came back to eugenics every time. I came back to eugenics because if you look at the YouTube channel, you can see the testimonials, the videos. Not just like some, like a few. Like there are many. Like there's a lot of testimonials there. Even on their website you can see, and you have to look at the qualifications of the doctors, especially Dr. Harika ma'am and Dr. Pradeep Sethi. Like I'm a big fan of them. So I was 100% sure I wanted to do the surgery in eugenics. So I started preparing for it, and I confirmed, like whatever it takes, how long it's going to take, like I will do it. So because of the pandemic, the COVID pandemic, it took me a little bit longer than I expected, but finally I was able to do my surgery on June 11th. So ma'am told me like I had to take around 3,600 grafts. So they put those grafts in my temples, front, mid part, then on my crown part. So total 3,600 grafts, and it took about 2 days for the surgery to be completed. And finally, like you can see like how perfect it looks, the hairline, the temple and all. And there was literally there was no pain. Only like there was a small pinching when they did the anesthetic injection. There was only a small pinch. There's no pain at all. Even after the surgery, there was no pain. So the important thing is like you have to take care of your head while you're sleeping. So just be careful of that. That's the only thing you need to do. Otherwise, like there's nothing. It's like normal routine, and you have to just wear a cap, like medical cap, like when you want to go out and all. Apart from that, there's nothing else. So now you can see the perfect, like I'm so happy about it, and I want to thank Dr. Harika ma'am and Dr. Pradeep Sethi. Even though he's not here, I want to thank, even though he did not do my surgery, like I want to thank Dr. Harika ma'am, because she did a wonderful job. And I want to thank that technicians also who helped with the surgery, and I want to thank all the staff also. So eugenics, the best. Do it once, do it right. And I will keep you posted about my results. You will be able to see my results after some days or like months. Thank you.